What is up, YouTubers and people of YouTube watching crazy YouTube videos about cars? Today, I thought I'd talk a little bit about future modifications for the Hellcat Red Eye. Now, I've always kept like a winter vehicle. We have winter months here in West Virginia, and during winter, I've always put my summer ride in the garage and cleaned, tinkered, modified, done whatever I could to just kind of keep enjoying the car even while it's down and just sitting. So one of the first things that I have already ordered and got here is new rear tires. Yes, new rear tires. If you saw the last video I posted, did a little bit of a smoky burnout. I do have more tread on the back of these tires that will need to be burned off. So that is going to be one of the next things that I will probably post before winter ends or before summer really begins. So you can see they've still got some tread left. Modification number 2, and really the only one that I want to do, is under the hood. I want to paint that blower. I want to take it off, but I have heard people having issues with the gaskets splitting. And the majority of people that I've seen are taping it off and just painting it on the engine. Now I do have a custom touch to that, but I'd like to know what you guys think. Am I crazy for taking it off and doing it, fully removing the blower and doing it on the shop floor? Or should I just leave it attached and do it there? Please let me know what you think and give me some ideas as to what your opinions are. And yes, that's the JLT version 2 intake. Really nice. But really, that is the only thing that I want to do to it. Everything else, I mean, look at it. It's gorgeous. I pretty much got everything done to it this year that I wanted to do. Now, one of the things that I do need to do that won't be modifications, but I need to clean. Yes, I drive this thing. I drive it all the time. Haven't been driving it since I've got my winter beater, but I do need to detail it. But other than that, I mean, come on. Who wouldn't drive this thing all the time if you could, right? 14 miles per gallon? Fine, no big deal. It's like 300 miles per gallon. 300 plus, right? Let's be honest about that. But yeah, anyway, that's the two main things that I'm gonna do. Is definitely the rear tires are gonna be replaced after another smoky burnout. I might do a little bit of a line lock video. I didn't actually go into how to use it at that time, so I might do that. And then the only other thing is painting that blower. And once again, I do have custom paint ideas for it, because you know how much I love custom paint. Oh yeah. So let me know in the comments. I don't really care if you like, follow, subscribe, all that stuff. I do always say that because that's kind of what everybody says. All the modifications on my car, I'm not monetized, so everything I do, I pay for. I'm pretty blessed. I have a good job. I enjoy it. So this kind of doesn't take first kiddo in my book. I don't do YouTube for anybody's real benefit other than just having fun and showing off my cars. I don't know if you can tell in this video or not, but this is a Ford hoodie. You've seen My name is Rocky F150 on all the socials. I'm a Ford guy. I have an F-150. I've had it since I was like 14 years old. It is still my main vehicle that I love more than anything, any other vehicle that is. It is currently getting a 514 cubic inch big block shoved in it. So hopefully there will be more videos of that coming up very soon. There will be eventually. I'm just hoping that it's sooner than later. But so that's it for now. Merry Christmas. We're a week away. Or no, whoa, we are like 3 days away right now. So Merry Christmas, y'all. Have a very blessed weekend. Bye.